Hey guys, so today we're just gonna be throwing this quick release on. Got this a while ago. Super sweet, cool company. That's about it. Quick video. Let's get into it. So the bolt I was trying to get off has completely stripped. So gonna have to find a new way of getting that off. Here's my idea. I'm gonna shave the edge of this so that I can stick some little grabbers in there and turn the bolt. What the This was the worst experience of my life. Alright, so it is the next day. Obviously yesterday did not go as planned, but screw it, I'm gonna post the video anyways. I wasn't sure at first, but if people want to watch it they can. If they don't, they don't. This is what I had to do. I had to cut this piece out and to get some channel locks in there and twist that bolt till it came off. But I mean, it happens. What are you gonna do? So I'm just gonna show you guys some clips of the steering wheel, and that's it for the video.